Dynamic deflection, it's another type of offset to move a patient or a gear across a horizontal span. This one's really ideal for us if you need to drop them right down in the middle of an area. If there's cornices coming out, there's something else sharp or rock that could be coming out and affect our cross haul lines. It's also ideal, again, instead of using a full-on twin tension high line system, this is a little bit simpler and easier to operate to get someone across and then down if need be. So looking at our system, the dynamic deflection side, the first line there is our blue line. That's our belay line. So being redundant, we have a belay line. It's running into a butterfly on the spine side of the carabiner, and then we have a little shorty jumper. Shorty jumper, we want to be at least less than 2 feet on our jumper. And then on this one, what we have is we have a double pulley, double sheath pulley on it. So the double sheath pulley, we put the belay, the little jumper on top side. We also can use a kootenai pulley. If we use the kootenai pulley, we would want to take that and we would put it on underneath. But again, with the kootenai pulley, the problem is it can get sucked down into the top of it. With a double sheath pulley like this, we keep it on top, okay? And then the other line is our dynamic deflection. It's the red line, the main line. It is a 2-to-1 system up to the top and down to his anchor, so he can toss a 3-to-1 haul system on that, and then we have a 6-to-1 haul system to move that deflection all the way across as far as wherever we need it, okay? And then on this side, it's very simple. All we do is we just have 2 clutches down into our anchors, twin clutch system, operating it. So our main belay is a twin tension system, and we're operating the system and dropping them down. So just like the cross haul system, 2 things to be really aware of are when we're moving the person across that horizontal span is that interior angle in there. So once we drop them down over, you can see there's that angle right now. Once we drop them down and get them into place, you have that interior angle. We want to try to maintain that less than 90 if possible. 90 is around 70-71% of our load on each side. We can go past that if need be. We just have to make sure that our anchors are, our bomber, our rigging is solid, okay? And the other big thing is our resultance on our artificial height directionals, especially on tripods. When we're moving them across, it's going to vary significantly from right here to all the way across over to there. It's going to be pulling in many different directions as it goes across instead of straight up and down in the traditional tripod setup. So we really need to make sure that the multi-pods or whatever you're using is really tied back appropriately when you're going across.